And I am going to pick first goodbye, just smaller beads, and I'm gonna do this right in the middle. So now this is just like really cute, simple, basics ombre encapsulate. And I am going to use this one, and you can use this with either First Love or it's Love Potion. So either way, it's gonna turn this, it's gonna make this is so beautiful. So I'm gonna open this the First Love. You open the First Love and then the first portions for me. Just like this one and this one for ombre. You get it?
Yeah, I got it. Anyone Love Potion?
Yeah, I want both of them. So I want to use both of them. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. You gotta see it in person. It's just really hard to explain it, how beautiful it is. And it's 3-dimensional. Mix this beauty up. And the First Love and the Love Potion, it just looks really similar, but there's one a little bit darker. Yeah, and then one is a little bit lighter. All right, so I'm gonna using the First Love and then the First Goodbye. It's a perfect match. I feel like somehow I just thinking of this two, like it's so like love story back then. Like you say goodbyes, you take off and go on the train instead of go on the plane. Do you think so? Or maybe I'm just watching a lot of episodes, I guess. So I'm picking a smaller. Make sure you clean your bristle really well, submerging back into the monomers, and pick up a smaller beads. And it's really depend. I call smaller beads is also depend on the length of the nail. Sometimes it's a bigger beads for the shorter nails, but it can be a smaller or medium beads for the longer nails. Okay, so and we'll place it, and then gently you're just using the belly of your bristle and really gentle, like I'm gonna show you on the side like this. It just, you're gonna go parallel like this instead of just doing a 45-degree angle and just using the tip of your bristle. You are going to keep your bristle nice and flat, so then that way it let the gravity and the belly of the bristle do all the work for you. It's perfect for beginner. For a lot of acrylic lover who is really love to doing liquid and powder, and especially ombre and encapsulate. And guess what happened? This is already safe. You one step, you don't have to encapsulate your glitter because it's already in the perfect ratio powder for you already. So I am go ahead and pick up the second beads and tuck it into the cuticles area. And really gently is get closer to the cuticles and then tuck a little bit in. And now you can see on the sides how it blend well together. You know, when you get hang of it and you like to do one bead, absolutely you can. Or if you like to do 2 beads, absolutely you can too. Do whatever make you feel comfortable and, you know, happy with. So I'm go ahead and clean my bristle again, submerging into the monomers and place it right in the area where we are going to get the ombre. So then this is not only cap and protect all your glitter, and also it is going to cap the ombre part where you are going to have. So then when you shape buff and final like top coat, it will not taking your ombre away. So I am placing the crystal clear, and then you can see that I'm using the belly of the bristle, and I really like, basically I'm feather touching it. Use like, I'm not pat so hard, and I'm not like drag it really aggressive. Because sometimes we're just getting afraid of it's going to set, so we'll pat so hard to the point that it just spread it all on the side. So it make the shape, the structure of the nails a little bit more bulky. So when you are going to shape, it's going to take a little bit longer time for you to shape and filing and make them perfect. This way, it's already pretty much like shaping for you. So when you are shaping it, it will not taking so much time and it's not taking away from your shape and structure. So now we are gonna let this beauty air dry it for like a time. You know, normally when you finish all 5 nails or 10 nails, you go back, this nail will be completely dry for you. So then you can start shaping and buffing. So